Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making chicken livers. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making chicken livers. First thing we're going to do is rinse them off. You also want to rinse out this container. Now we're going to be cooking these 3 different ways. I got my George Foreman grill preheated up. I got my oven, my toaster oven preheated at 350, and I'm preheating my frying pan. We're going to go ahead and start with olive oil and sesame seeds. Just some great value olive oil, cheap stuff. And you're probably wondering why I kept the container. Put these on the frying pan. There we go, now you can see it. There we go. Next up, more chicken livers. There we go. Some melted butter. Now I did the sesame seed ones first because I'm afraid that if I do the garlic ones first, everything's going to just taste like garlic chicken livers. There we go. Some plain ones for the blue one. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of garlic. There we go. Go ahead and move them around a little bit. They're looking real good. Now, of course, your George Foreman grill is going to be the fastest way to cook them. Then your frying pan is going to be the second fastest. And of course your oven is going to be the last. I say these are done. That took about between 5 and 10 minutes. See how they have a nice crispy brown on them? Nothing like that. Now I know this ain't the healthiest of recipes, because in general, these things aren't that great for you health-wise. But it is a healthier way to cook them like this compared to deep frying them. And you don't necessarily have to use, sesame seeds. You can use salt, pepper, whatever. Now, the longer you cook these, the firmer they get. I don't know if that makes sense. It's kind of like a steak. You know how rare steak is easier to chew than a steak that's been overcooked, turned into stewed leather. These are basically the same way. I mean, you can tell they're firming up. It took everything I had not to start eating those. Now, as you can see, there ain't much difference between the frying pan and the George Foreman grill. But that took twice as long as the George Foreman grill. Okay, here's what they look like after 15 minutes in the oven. I'm going to flip them over. Sesame seed. I'm going to go ahead and stick them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Okay, this is our chicken livers after 15 more minutes. You can see that they kind of firmed up. There you go. But they don't have that nice crust on it. So what I'm going to do, stick them under the broiler in the toaster oven. I'm going to broil them for about, I don't know, a minute or two. Okay. It's about 2 or 3 minutes. You really got to keep an eye on them when you're doing the broil part. So now we got that's the ones with the lines on it. That's George Foreman grill, stovetop, oven. Now, my personal preference is the George Foreman grill. I like the way they taste. It's quick, it's simple. But if you're doing a lot of them, that ain't gonna cut it. So I do it in the oven. If you want to kind of do it like an old-fashioned way, the stovetop. But my personal favorite is George Foreman grill. There he goes. Alright, as you're enjoying watching him eat his livers, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. I'm getting real close to that 10K point, and that's a big thing on YouTube. Hit that like button, leave a comment, whatever. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.